Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I actually want to give you guys a quick update based off of some questions that I have been getting, and it's around the stimulus checks. So if you haven't been paying attention, or if you haven't been on social media, and the IRS has pretty much started to send the first batch of direct deposits out as of this weekend. So some people are seeing it pending in their bank account, and they're screenshotting and they're talking about it on Facebook and things like that. But the questions I've been getting are for those who have not filed their taxes and they're wondering if they're going to get a check or how do they get a direct deposit. The reason is because your checks could actually take up to 5 months. So the IRS said that they can only print 5 million checks every single week. So that means 20 million checks a month. And so pretty much kind of like half or like 40% of America do not have their information on file. So IRS has actually put together a tool finally on its website that you can go to, and it's at irs.gov. And once you go on the website, you're going to see there where it says non-filers, and that's where you want to click. And then on that page, it's kind of going to show you, who's eligible, and you can read through that. And then you're going to see a button that says non-filers, enter payment info here. And you want to click on that. And then it's going to take you over to another website, and then you can set up your account and you can start the process there where you can now enter your information so that way you can get your direct deposit and you're not on the tail end of waiting 5 months for your stimulus. So if you're not going to put your information in and you're just going to wait for a check, and you have moved in the last year or since the last time you filed your taxes or whatever the case is, then you might want to let them know, because they're going to send your check to the last known address that they have on file. So there you go. So if you're trying to get your stimulus check, you're trying to get it deposited into your account, and you have not filed your taxes in 2019 or 2018, and they don't have your information on file for direct deposit, they do not have your account information, then you definitely want to go there and you want to put in your information so that way that you can get a direct deposit. So that's just a quick update on the stimulus checks. Like I said, they've already started to make deposits, and people are starting to talk about it, and they're starting to screenshot and put that out there online, which I don't think is a good idea to tell people like, hey guys, I'm getting money. I don't think it's a good idea to necessarily do that, but to each his own. But for those that have had the question, there you go. You can go to irs.gov and you can follow through there, and you'll be able to put your information in there and you will receive your check. So if you've already have your information on file, your direct deposit information on file, there's nothing for you to do. You don't need to worry about doing anything. You're pretty much just going to deposit it into your account. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed. Stay safe out there. Peace.